Welcome back to WJCL 22 Morning News. Time right now, it is 6:12. Here's what you need to know before you make your way out the door for work this morning. And nice and dry start. Will not need that umbrella this morning, but later this afternoon there will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms that will be around, especially after about 3 o'clock. So some of those afternoon and early evening commutes may be a little wet in some spots. Warm and humid once again today. Afternoon highs about upper 80s. Could be a couple spots may touch 90 later today. And here's where we're going to see the weather, probably the worst than we've seen the last couple of days, especially with widespread rain. It's looking like for a Saturday afternoon into the evening. I'll show you that in future casts coming up. But temperatures to start the morning, really not too bad out there at all. Low 70s, looking like a common number, about 72 to 73 degrees, 74 there in Savannah, 75 for Hilton Head and Beaufort, checking in at 73. And here's that low country forecast for you, at least the temperatures for today. Upper 70s by 9 o'clock. Just before lunchtime, about 82 degrees, and the mid to upper 80s will warm things up later this afternoon. You can see that 3 o'clock temperature today will be very close to 87. Heading out to some high school football games tonight. Kickoff around 7 or 7:30. We will see pretty good weather. It's looking like the shower and thunderstorm activity should be over with for most spots. I do have here just a small chance for maybe a storm right at the beginning of some of the games. 85 degrees will be kickoff temperature. It will be a muggy one, so get ready for that. And may probably will not need that umbrella, which is definitely a good thing. And also, do not forget tonight on WJCL News at 11 o'clock, the Frenzy right here. Get all the highlights and also the scores. And Doppler radar is showing the morning starting out nice and dry. Like I said, those thunderstorms from yesterday are well out to the east over the coastal waters, and we'll continue seeing dry weather at least up through probably about 3 o'clock before more storms roll into our area a little later today. And starting the morning out with just a few passing clouds across the area, and watch Futurecast how it's going to show everything's going to play out throughout the daytime. Starting the morning out 8 o'clock, a mix of sunshine and clouds. Probably by lunchtime, those mid and high level clouds will begin to roll into the area. Could even become mostly cloudy just after lunchtime, but still nice and dry up through noon, and then 3, 4 o'clock. There's a few little showers that it's showing mainly north of the Savannah River today in parts of the low country. Jasper County up through Hampton may see that best chance for shower or thunderstorm today, even back towards Statesboro. But south of that is showing no rain throughout the daytime, which is good news from Alma, Jessup, also Blackshear, and looking like most of Chatham County should be pretty much dry as well. I did lower the chances of rain for today, only about probably 30 at best, maybe 40% chance for afternoon storm. Then into the evening, just about time for those high school football games. Look at that, nice and dry for most spots. So let's jump ahead to tomorrow morning. If you're trying to make plans for Saturdays, do everything first thing in the morning. Dry to start the day out at 8 o'clock, but look how this rain rolls into our area just after lunchtime tomorrow. Rain will be likely for tomorrow afternoon. Of course, tracking the tropics for you into the tropical Atlantic. Here's the Caribbean right here, and the tropical Atlantic. The Leeward Islands right here, and you can see this is the flare-up of showers and storms associated with what's left of Grace. But here is Tropical Storm Henri out over the open Atlantic. The latest from the Hurricane Center, maximum sustained winds are 40. It'll take that right-hand turn over the next couple of days, staying out over the open Atlantic. 7-day forecast, a good chance for showers and storms tomorrow. We'll probably see some heavy rain in parts of the area tomorrow afternoon during the first part of the evening before a cold front rolls through the area. Then once it moves off the coast, look at this beautiful fall-like weather. Lower humidities there on Sunday into Monday. We'll see morning lows in the low to mid 60s and daytime highs near 84.